half, Charlie. 9 and a half, Charlie. 9 and a half, Charlie. 9 and a half, Benny. 9 and a half, Charlie. 9 and a half, David. 9 and a half, Benny. 9 and a half, Charlie. 9 and a half, Charlie. 9 and a half, Benny. 9 and a half, Charlie. Benny. Charlie. Charlie, Benny. Charlie, Benny. Shoes! Shoes! Shoes!
What's the matter, pal? You seem perturbed.
Yeah, I got a morale problem.
Do tell.
Now take me brother Tofu. There's a guy that's got a swell spot. He's doing things. Message center, codes, secret stuff. Gee, what a lucky guy.
Yeah? Well, let's have a look.
What a life. Nice mate to a flock of feather dusters. Oh, brother Booba. What a break you got.
And remember, the enemy is tough and vicious. You gotta be twice as tough and vicious. Now get in there and tear 'em to bits.
Oh, brother Snafu. What I wouldn't give for your job. 9 and a half, Benny. 9 and a half, Charlie. 9 and a half, Charlie. A 9 and a half for Benny. A 9 and a half for Charlie. A 9 and a half for Benny. Hey, you know, this is an important job I'm doing.
That's my boy who said that.
Ha-cha-cha-cha.